Christmas 2021, December 25th. So Angela finally at the house. She had a lot of presents from Santa Claus. And there's me, Mama. She got some presents from her daughter. And there's Papa's presents. You can see there's nothing. Okay?
That's how it is, though. I didn't get nothing either today.
You got something here.
Except for this, yes. Except for
Yeah.
that. I saved you so much.
And you're welcome. Okay.
That looks good on you. It fits you perfect. I put the hat on, too, and the gloves.
Why did I pause?
Well, Lisa, thank you for the presents, Chris. I really appreciate it. That was very nice.
Thank you. He won't like that. He got you some nice stuff. All right, let me see your things, Nicole. Angela, sorry. Now, I used to, when she lived there, I called her Angela, Nicole Angela.
Oh, yeah, this stuff, okay. Look how, oh, my hair. It's nothing. This is just makeup. Yeah. And some sticks.
Well, that was on your list, honey.
It's on my list.
Christmas list. Okay.
That's all the stuff.
Right.
In there. Did you read?
Let me sit down, Jackie, please.
I needed clothes though really bad though because my Shein clothes, not my Shein clothes.
I imagine.
All my other clothes and all my leggings have those in them. All of
I'm sure he doesn't buy you anything.
All of them. No, he's taking me shopping now.
He better, man. I mean, that's what a man does, takes care of his, you know.
I'm not going to take all the Shein shit out because it's so much. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go home and try it on. And if things don't fit me, then I'm going to...
Okay, yeah, you know what? Look at the, where's her boots and jacket? I want to do that.
Right there.
Huh?
Open my jacket for me.
Yeah, I'm going to put the jacket on. I think that was the first thing we got when you sent me that.
Yeah, my cane.
Where's my, look at her jacket. I'm going to go over there, Mom. I can't see that good.
What's this, Mom?
Not that heavy.
Oh,
Oh, it was in the mail. I don't know. It's in the mail. Oh, it's probably dark. You did have something.
oh, that's pretty.
It's pretty, but it's this.
Wow.
It's really pretty.
Oh, you're going to need to wear sweat.
I love it. I like
That's
how
very
it's small
pretty.
and stuff. Yeah.
That is pretty. That is nice. That is really pretty.
You
See,
did get something a long time ago. I forgot. It was like an old credit that you had that was in collections. And there was something you could have filled out.
Merry Christmas. Okay, everybody. I don't know what Jackie was talking about, but Angela, Merry Christmas. We love you and miss you. Okay? That's it, okay?